Say I am the one, cause you want to. Really not pretend, you don't wanna stop.
What are you doing, Shu? I'm just studying. Do you guys know about a compound interest and annuity?
Yes, I know. Let's watch our video.
Compound interest is the interest on a loan or deposit calculated based on both the initial principal and accumulated interest from a various periods. Compound interest can be thought as the interest on interest, and we make the sum grow at a faster rate than a simple interest, which is calculated only on a principal amount. We can use a formula as equal P in bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of n.
Annuity is the future value of an annuity is the amount in which the current investment will grow or accumulated over time. The formula of future value is S equal to R bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of n minus 1 close bracket over I.
Naim wish to have enough money to open the PlayStation 5 cafe business that costs RM 20,500 in 10 year time. He saved in a saving account which offer an interest rate of 6.50% compounded every 2 months. How much should Naim save to this so he can start the business? How much is the amount of interest gained by Naim at the end of 10 years? We're using the formula S equal P in bracket 1 plus I in bracket power of n. So our S is RM 2,500 equal P in bracket 1 plus 0.0615 in bracket per 6 the power of 70. So we must put the P alone and bring all the things to the right. So it's become 20,500 per in bracket 1 plus 0.0615 in bracket power of 60. So we got the P equal Rn 11,170.1889 cents. That's how we got the P. And proceed to the amount of interest. How can we get the amount of interest? We're using the formula I equal S minus P. Our S is 20,500 minus 7,170 ringgit.89 cents. That equal to Rm 9382.11 cents.
Benji invested 6,700 into the investment scam for a period of 15 years. The investment scam rate offer was 3.4% compound quarterly for the first 6 years and 4.8% compound semi-annually for the rest of the period. Calculate the future value at the end of investment period. So we have to find S. For the first 6 years, we use formula S equal to P bracket 1 plus I close bracket to power of n. So 6,700 bracket 1 plus 0.034 over 4 close bracket to the power of 4 times 6. So we get answer 8,209.12 cents. So next we have to find 6 years. So we use the same formula. So 8,209.12 cents bracket 1 plus 0.048 over 2 close bracket to the power of 2 times 9. So the final answer is 12,518.44 cents.
Mr. Halim deposited 42,000 ringgit in an account earning K% interest compounded monthly. After 7 years and 5 months, the amount in his account was 16,808 ringgit 68 cents. Determine the interest rate K. In this question, we use compound amount formula S equal to P1 plus K per M to the power n multiply T. 60,808 ringgit 68 cents equal to 42,000 ringgit 1 plus K per 12 to the power 12 multiply 7 5 per 12. Move all the things to the left and left the K alone. So the calculation will be 60,808 ringgit 68 cents divided to 42,000 ringgit to the power 189 minus 1 multiply 12 equal to K. So the answer will be 0.05 multiply 100%. So the answer will be 5%. And let's save 11,000 in a financial institution that gives an interest rate of 7.2% compounded every 4 months. After 3 years, the amount in his account is 60,857 ringgit 43 cents. Question 1 Roman, find the duration of his saving. 60,857 ringgit 43 cents equal to 11,000 ringgit 1 plus 0.072 divided 3 to the power 3 multiply T. So move the 11,000 to the left. And so it will be 1 plus 0.072 divided 3 to the power 3 multiply T equal to 60,857 ringgit 43 cents divided 11,000 ringgit. In this calculation, we use ln T3 ln 1.024 equal to ln open the bracket 60,857 ringgit 43 cents divided 11,000 ringgit and close the bracket. Now move all the things and left the T alone. So it will be T equal to ln open the bracket 60,857 ringgit 43 cents divided 11,000 ringgit close the bracket and divided 3 ln 1.024. So the answer for T will be 6 years. Question 2 Roman. After 6 years, Alex added another 2,500 into the same account. Calculate the amount in the account 8 years after the initial saving. We need to calculate the accumulated amount 2,500 and it will be 60,857 ringgit 43 cent plus 2,500 ringgit and it will be 9,357 ringgit 43 cent. So the new accumulated amount is as equal to 9,357 ringgit 43 cent 1 plus 0.072 divided 3 to the power 3 multiply 8. So the amount in the account after 8 years, it will be 54,201 ringgit 62 cent.
Her deposit a certain amount of money every month for 7 years and 4 months at an interest rate of 7.75% compound monthly. How much should she begin saving money today if she wishes to have 10,620.22 in her account? First, we use the formula A equals R open bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of n minus 1 over I close bracket. So A is 10,612.22 cent equals R open bracket 1 plus 0.0775 to the power of 12 times 7 4 over 12 minus 1 close bracket. If you want to find R, you must move R to the left and 10,612.22 move to the right. And R equals 10,612.22 cent times 0.0775 over 12 over open bracket 1 plus 0.0775 over 12 close bracket to the power of 12 times 7 4 over 12 minus 1 close bracket. When you calculate, you will get the answer is 19 ringgit. 118 is every 3 months into an account for 10 years at 6.81% compound quarterly. Find the maturity value of survey and determine the interest earned. So we have to use formula S equal to R bracket 1 plus I over I close bracket to the power of n minus 1. So 118 bracket 1 plus 0.0691 over 4 close bracket to the power of 4 times 10 minus 1 over 0.091 over 4. So the answer is 10,252.64%. So we have to find interest. So the formula of interest is I equal to S minus P. So 10,252.64 minus 14 bracket 118 bracket. So the final answer is 3,052.64 cents.
First Roman, calculate the monthly payment. This question wants us to find the value of R. To find the value of R, we need to use the present value of annuity formula, which is A equal to R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of n divided by I. To get the value of R, first we need to find the value of A. 30% down payment that Kamala paid for a shop is equal to 106,500. So the amount of loan that she took at a bank, which is A, is equal to 355,000 minus 106,500 equal to 248,500. So our value for A is equal to 248,500. So we must put all the value into that formula. A 248,500 equal to R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.053 per 12 close bracket power of negative 180 close bracket divided by 0.053 per 12. Our R is equal to 248,500 multiplied by 0.053 per 12 divided by 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.053 per 12 close bracket power of negative 180. So the final value of our A is equal to 2004.18. If Kamala missed the first 4 payments, how much should she pay on the 5th payment to keep her payments up to date? So this question wants us to find the value of S. To find the value of S, we need to use the future value formula, which is S equal to R open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of n minus I close bracket divided by I. As we know, our R is equal to 2004.18 and our n will be equal to 5. To find the value of S, we need to put this value into that formula. So our S5 equal to 2004.18 open bracket 1 plus 0.053 per 12 close bracket power of 5 minus 1 close bracket divided by 0.053 per 12. So our value of S5 will be 10,109.81. Third Roman, find the outstanding balance if Kamala decided to settle the loan immediately after paying for 13 years. This question wants us to find the value of A. To find the value of A, we need to use the present value formula, which is A equal to R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of negative n close bracket divided by I. To get the value of A, first we need to find the value of n. For this question, our n is the number of remaining payment that Kamala should pay to settle the loan immediately. The total number of payment that Kamala should pay for 50 years is 180 and the number of balance that she already paid for 30 years is 156. So to get the value of n, 180 minus 156 equal to 24. So we must put the value of n into that formula to get the value of A. So A24 equal to 2004.18 open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.053 per 12 close bracket power of negative 24 close bracket divided by 0.053 per 12. So our value of A will be 45,543.47.